statutory custody of my granddaughter for 2 years, but she's on paper, but she's been in my house for 3 years. The father come up in April and took me back to court on April 12th and wanted custody back of his daughter. Well, the judge told him two things. Do you pay child support in 3 years? No, I haven't. Have you had a DNA? No, I haven't, but you're supposed to go across the street and have this done. Well, this is now August, and I have not heard a word. What is my next step legally that I can do?
Well, there's a couple of things there. First off, it sounds like when he filed to get custody back or get back involved in this child's life, the judge applied what's known as the best interest test. And when the judge took a look at it and inquired about the things that he needed to do to be able to step into the role of a father, it sounds like he didn't meet those. So what should you do in the interim? Probably wait for the judge to speak again. Or if it's true that he's been not paying child support for 3 years, he hasn't been legitimated, there could be grounds to terminate there. But again, if a grandmother typically has custody, there may be DCS involved. There's certainly a guardian ad litem who acts on behalf of the child involved. So you've got a good probable legal team that's not going to let anything bad become to the child. But a father still has a right to be in the child's life over time.
Well, what it sounds like to me is that the father's dropped the ball. His obligation was to go and determine whether or not he was the paternity. Paternity was he was the legal father, and they call that parentage now in Tennessee. That's a politically correct term. And if he's not doing anything with regard to that, you could file a motion to dismiss his petition because he's not prosecuting it.